Well, today my friend Jack Bravyak had a customer where part of the wall was falling down, so me and him showed up, and an hour and a half later we're all done with it and we fixed the steps a little bit. It's just a patch job. I'm going to show you how we did it. Well, today we have this little retaining wall, and if you look at it, just these stones right here seem to be falling down. And you look under there and it looks like it just settled a little bit. See how it's settled? So all we're going to do is kind of put it back, and then maybe we're going to point this up a little bit. I don't know yet, but that's the job for today. Very simple job, no big deal. I'm with my friend Jack Bravyak, who could actually pick this stuff up. Gonna put it back, that's all. I'm just digging this out. It's all mud. And we're gonna fill this back in and then start over again. No big deal. I'll get this one up too so it'll match a little bit. It's a little kinky, isn't it? Good. Yeah. I'm gonna have to flatten that out a little bit. Let's see if this goes in. Nope, gotta come up some more. A bit higher. That's all.
Perfect.
That'll work.
Want me to mix some more up?
You know, we could put it in here. I don't think so. Let's just see where we're going.
Okay.
With it. That's it.
Oh, that's good. Can you fill in those spaces?
Yeah, exactly.
And look on the steps? Okay. Just deep enough, or pound them in.
This one, right? This one goes next? Or was it this one that went next? It's that one. This guy could pick up stuff. I can't pick up nothing anymore. Perfect.
It's like a glove.
Yeah. That should do it.
All right.
Oh, it's ripped apart, actually. I didn't tell the whole thing.
Bring this up a little bit.
There you go.
That's all. That's it.
So just maneuver around there.
And my buddy, and then Jack here, we just put a little cement in the steps just to what we had left. That's all, nothing official. So we used up that fast drying cement, and when you use that fast drying cement that's got rocks in it, you just pat it like this, and that kind of makes it look old. And then if you ever watch the mud trick, that hides all your sins, so the owner don't know that you're even here. Right, Jack?
Correct, Michael. You got it.
So that's it. We finished it up. Jack is just cleaning up a little bit. Say hello, Jack. Say hello.
Hello. How are you today?
And that's it. A patch job. So we're going to talk about that job a little bit. That was one of Jack's customers' friends, and he looked at the wall, and the girl said, "Oh man, I got so many ridiculous prices for it, and they were going to do this and do that and do the other thing." It was just a patch job. It was just fix it up. She was worried about it falling down and people tripping over the steps, so we fixed it real quick. No big deal. An hour and a half we were out of there. This is what I used, was that fast drying cement. It has the little rocks in it, so I hit it with the sponge. A lot of times you can get a hammer, a big sledgehammer, and hammer those things back in. And if I wanted to make it look like the rest of the wall, I could have got some mud and just gone over the new ones that we chipped up. So just a little patch job, I call it. An hour and a half, boom, 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 we're in, we're out. She's happy, and that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.